Go to the...
Okay, let's go.
Hey!
I know my
Your
teddy
toy! That is not a teddy bear, that is a dog. Let's go on the
bear. Wait
floor.
for me.
It is I crowded. That is my room. It looks pretty.
Wow!
That's so amazing.
pretty.
I will share with you. Hey, that is mine.
Oh, so sorry.
Just I have a clothes on the rent.
Oh, wait for me.
Okay, I will wait for you. Look at this.
Yeah, no.
That is a clothes.
Can I teacher?
Sorry, you are a toddler. You cannot.
You too, your toddler. Let's go to the bathroom. Wow! Pretty. I know.
I'm going to poop.
Okay, just. Beep, 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 beep.
That is so. Let's go. Yay!
Let's go now.
Hey, you forgot the sleep.
Lily Akashi.
Hey, let's go sleep now.
No, let's go to the shop.
Sorry, you can't.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, where's this thing? Yes, that is a pastel. Let's taking this. Look at this. That is a pastel. Let's take in the all in the market.
Okay.
But you don't have money.
Oh, I have money. Money.
Yes, let's go on this.
Okay.
Yay! 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 Now, okay. Let's go now. Okay. I'm going on this. I'm up. Now I got it to stand. Yay!
Okay, let's go. Yay.
Okay, wait for me. I like this cute bunny.
Wow.
It's really so cute.
I have 5 too.
This rabbit.
No, it's lonely. Oh, yeah. I like this.
Hey, let's be changed, okay?
Okay.
Because you love rabbit.
Baka ikaw yung mubdo ka.
Let's go. Yay! Yay! Yay!
No, that's mine. Let's see.
But I love rainbow colorful. Let's be sure, okay?
Okay. Wait for me. I'm gonna.
Let's go to the playground.
Wait for us.
Let's go to the playground.
Yeah, let's go.
I will show you how this find the playground. Yay! 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 She's here now.
May pagkano makunin mo
She
yung isa
is
sa taas?
yay! I cannot.
I want this.
Hey, I don't like it. You are a brat. I am kawaii.
Oh, wait for me.
I love pacifier. You.
I love you. Oh, wait for me.
I like this because we have pink. Hey, what is the voice is so sad?
I don't know because she broke it.
Yes.
Oh, that is your pacifier. So pretty.
Yes, that is my pacifier.
Wow, this is my pacifier.
Why? What is blue? Because we have turtle.
Yes.
But I love this jacket.
Oh, that's mine.
Yay. Let's go.
No, that's mine.
Yes. Let's go. Hey, we have a gift here.
Yeah, this.
This is a galaxy.
This is my backpack. This is my backpack.
I love unicorn backpack.
Why?
And let's go to playground. Oh, I like this. But I look so sad. Let's go.
Wait for me.
I want rainbow car, you. Hey, what are you so sad?
I'm just crying.
Okay, you just on the purple, me on the rainbow color too.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
You look really so sad. Why really so sad?
Not taking here.
Hey, what is so ugly? Hey, why are you like that? Yeah, you just go now, please. Okay. I'm really scared. Around.
Where are you?
Hey, I'm under here. Hey, you have both.
Let's go.
Oh no. Sorry, oh my God. Hey, you are really so now. So why let's go home. Let's go home.
Please, let's see.
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm here. I'm so really scared.
me.
I'm really so scared. Hey.
I'm so really scared. Hello, ba't ang bilis? Ba't ang
Hey, please speak English.
Okay.
Let's speak English. I'm so really so crying now. I'm really so crying now. Let's go play again. Watch this play. What this favorite you? I don't have favorite on the you.
Oh, I like this video.
Purple.
Blue.
But dark blue, you are a girl.
I know.
Yes. Let's go home now.
No.
Okay.
Mommy, don't hit me.
I'm going to sleep now. Why are you so mean? Hey, why are you taking my pacifier and
No. Don't look at that. No.
why are you taking this?
No.
Hey, that is mine. I'm going to play again.
Hey, you.
Hey, that is mine. Wait. What is the dark city?
Let's go now again here.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, you just record. Is this now?
Let's go. Where are you?
Hey, I will let's go home on the mansion.
Okay, let's go.
Why did you
wanna
say? Let's go on ice cream.
Okay.
So guys, it's so ugly. Why is so ugly? Hey, why are you so ugly?
Look at me.
I have a secret on.
Hello. Ako naman maghanap.
Yay! This is a lollipop.
No, that is not lollipop. I eat that
I have a secret.
I know.
Wow! No! I like this.
Okay, just done classifier now.
Wait, I have a secret
Oh, no.
and the more. Wait, I have a secret. Yay, I like this mermaid. You, what did you want?
I want.
Mermaid too?
I don't like it. I like better. Lawin.
That is mine. I can eat them.
You eat them.
I like this. What do you want, Boba?
Oh, that's mine. Why did you
boba. I like them. This boba ice cream.
You are not kiss me.
Okay, sorry. Hey, where's Galaxy?
I want to juice.
Me too. I this thing.
Wait for me.
I think this strawberry.
I think this is.
I love strawberry so much. Why? Because you love
Let's
strawberry.
go now.
Okay, let's go sleep down.
Why?
Let's go swimming.
Wow.
Let's go swimming on the beach.
Okay.
That is a beach. Let's go on the beach hotel. You have a yay! We hear a beach.
Yeah.
I love ice cream more. I have a new animation on ice cream. Oh no, she no ice cream, but is she my home?
Okay.
Let's go
Gawa
to
na tayo
my
brain
home.
bag. Gawa na tayo brain